Okay everybody, very welcome to March's sale event. We have a special offer on for you. First offer is the S1R Mark II. You can get that for 30% off. So that's the single S1R Mark II. Or you can combine that with the i3T in black and get that for 40% off. So there are the two offers that we have on for you for March. This is happening on the 22nd of March. So you can get this well in time for Mother's Day. So let's have a closer look at these two torches and check it out. Okay everybody, so our March sale event, as we said, is going to be a combination of these two torches. First of all, we have the S1R Mark II. You can get that singly for 30% off. Cracking torch, really love this one, with outputting a maximum of 1000 lumens in such a small form factor. IPX8 rating, and of course it's magnetic and rechargeable. So we'll give you that in a wee bit more detail in a minute. And then the second offer is the S1R Mark II, but along with the i3T in black. So again, lovely wee torch. We're going to show you both of these now, and let's check it out. So the S1R Mark II in black, really like this one. It's a smaller form factor than the S1R original, so it's slightly shorter. It's got the reversible pocket clip, so again we listened to the design of the pocket clip and changed that. So you can use this, put it on the peak of a cap if you want to have improvised head torch. You can see the lens there, it's a TIR lens. And on this one you have your features of your traffic light system for the power indicator. So it's going to be green here when you're fully charged, you're good to go. And then it's going to step down to amber and red then when it needs charged. So you're going to get plenty of indication. Really nicely balanced beam. There's press and hold again for our lights to cycle through. And then see the bit fades out and fades on. Again, not to blind you straight with light. Double tap then brings you into turbo. And then a triple tap is strobe. We're not going to do strobe on here. And of course you have your moonlight feature. Press and hold. There's your moonlight mode. This will last up to 8 days for moonlight. So that's perfect for anybody who wants to go camping and have maybe a night light. Or something to read, or just in an event of emergency, just to have a wee bit extra light just for a wee small area. Magnetic base as well with your charging cable, and it's got a nicer design in here. When we unscrew this, the battery is actually contained in this section, so it is smaller, and this is held in the bottom with a magnet as well. So just put the positive terminal in. You can see there it is held in by the magnet on the base, and then screw that in, and there you go. Nice grippy texture on this light. Feels very nice in the hand. Very popular light, the S1R Mark II. So you're going to pick that up for 30% off. So combining then, if you wanted to get the S1R Mark II, you could also add in. On the listing there'll be a combination, which will be the i3T as well in black. So you get the two of these for 40% off. i3T, lovely light. I carry one on me all the time, and I use it quite a lot. Again, same style of pocket clip, nice and secure. This takes a single AAA battery. Really nice tight screws there, so single AAA. Threads are really nice on this, and a good tight O-ring. Gives you your IPX rating of 8. And then very simple features of clicking on for low, off, then on for high again. Or you can just do momentary. That's me just lightly press in to cycle through. Very simple, just them two modes. Low mode is 5 lumens. High mode 180. This one gets used a lot around the house, just having a small torch Maybe if you're a professional, having it in your suit pocket as an extra, or the combination you can have. But that light gets used an awful lot for 180 lumens in that size of form factor. Definitely beats the competition. And with the double helix design there, it is really nice and grippy, even with gloves. And with the button at the top, very nice positive click for on and off. Love the i3T in black. Very, very nice torch. Both very, very lightweight. So that's the two offers that we have on. You can either just buy the single one for 30% off, or you can combine it and get the S1R Mark II and the i3T together for 40% off. So that's what we have coming up. This is the 22nd of March. Perfect in time for Mother's Day. Give your mother one or the other, or give her both. And definitely, I have my mother, she has an i3T just to have when she's out and about. And it's perfect for what she needs. Small, lightweight, easy to use. So you can combine them, perfect gift for Mother's Day, or just a wee treat for yourself. And with magnetic charging on the S1R, very, very good. And of course the base is magnetic, so you can attach it to different sections. But there you are, there's two torches on offer for the 22nd of March, up to 40% off. Check them out, olightstore.uk. Click the link below to buy, and thank you very much for your time. Thanks for watching. Take care.